Hello dear friends, I'm Lena Big. From this lesson you will learn how to make beautiful voluminous curls on a natural hair with Botox. It's not easy, it's heavy hair, but I promise from this lesson you will learn some new techniques and tips. Today I have a beautiful model. Here's Maria.
Hi.
And she has natural hair, but she made a Botox, right? You have
Yes.
Botox. So the hair is very heavy. That's why if you want to make curls, you need to prep them. The most important to have volume here. So I just spray for the roots. And the main mistake when you spray it too far. You need to put it closer. For example, if you make it for the first time, you just need to start from one half of the head. Because if you spray for the whole head, it will be dry and you don't have enough time, you don't have enough speed, to blow dry it fast. I have this brush, and be careful because if you will blow like this way, it will be hard for your model. So you need to hold it 45 degrees. You see? Here we have some volume. You need to check, is it dry or is it wet? If your hair is wet, the volume wouldn't hold, so the hair should be dry. Oh my god, it is so silky, like a real silk. Spread the styling along the hair, okay? And now I will show you how to curl. Actually, here we will curl different directions, okay? For example, you can put it here, away from the face, okay? And just start rotate it. You see? The full direction, the end looks at you, and then you just slow down. Just slowly go down, okay? And then you just release it. You see? I left this small curl. And then I put here where I dropped it, the same up. I put it here and again, 360 degrees, okay? The end looks at me, and then I again slide it down. I can slide it till the end, okay? And that's it. That's our first curl. By the way, if you don't have opportunity to come to Poland, you can learn from me online. For example, I have online hair classes on Patreon. There are a lot of lessons, more than 25, about the hair preparation, different hair products, hot tools, the most demanding updos. And you can watch all of them, and the starting price is just $20 per month. Can you imagine? It's very cheap. That's why go to the link on Patreon, find me there, and see you soon. I like to leave, for example, the first one, because here near the roots we need to have strong curl. If I go slide from the roots till the ends, I will have very weak curl. I think so. Okay, I will show you. And you will see, okay? And just slide down. I will slide down till the end, so you can see the result, the difference, okay? You can see the difference between the first one and the second. If I go just like this, okay? Okay, we just need to help it a little bit. Yeah, it's good too, but a little bit looser, you see? It's kinda loose. If my model has short hair, for example, till this line, I can use this technique. Just continue mixing directions again. Just always, because I want all the different curls. And just till the end. Just till the end. Okay, I will drop it. You even can leave the curls like this, you see? Because if you take tiny strands, okay, the upper layer, you can take tiny strands and leave it like this because it looks good, okay? So, you see here is very short hair, but we need to combine them together with long hair. Otherwise, we will have a very strange bang. So, I curl it together with other hair, with the long hair, okay? This is our curls preparation, but now we're gonna make some magic. She lean the head a little bit back, and I just take my white teeth comb and just brush it lightly, you see? Just lightly, don't brush all the hair, just upper layer. Just spray a little bit Ozzys and just gently brush the upper layer. Only the upper layer, okay? Like this. Don't kill the volume, because if you will brush all the hair through, you will kill the volume. Medium hairspray. Why do I use medium? Because if I will use strong, it wouldn't be movable. Еще трошки назад. You can even open it like this. Spray gloss for the ends, not for the lens, only for the ends, because it contains oil, and oil releases the curls. We have some volume, but we need to put our hair to the front, so we need to find the parting. It's somewhere here, okay? And just make the straight line, just in the middle, straight line, so we have the same amount of hair on the both sides. Are you ready? Maria, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, and just put it forward like this, okay? Let me see. Oh, amazing. And now we need to move this hair forward to the face. Now keep strong, keep straight, and I will move the hair like this, you see? And one more hairspray. Закрывай глазки. This beautiful flip. You can open the hair like this and spray it. Do you like it?
Yes, I like so much. It's so warm. I couldn't believe that my straight hair will be so warmed.
Yes. So, my friends, now you know how to make beautiful voluminous curls from the straight hair, heavy hair, botoxed hair. Yeah?
Yes.
Don't forget to leave a like, because for you it's just 1 second, and for me it's a great pleasure to know that I help someone. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments, and see you in the next lesson.